Today I'm going to show you how to write a YouTube script in ChatGPT 4 version 4. It came out yesterday on the 14th of March. So you just type in write me a YouTube script about, for example, about crime in America, and you just enter. You could do it very specific, but this is more general. So let's see what it's typing. So it's typing a hook, like an introduction. You just have to fine-tune the script before you make a YouTube video out of it. There are some errors in there, but you can fix them your own if you know how to write a script. Here it's giving an overview of the crime in America, and it can also tell stories if you want. So write me a YouTube script story about crime, or write me a YouTube script about space, something like that, and it will write the script for you and help you to make your videos. So that is it for today. I hope you liked it, and good luck with your script writing.